Howdy peeps, I'm Professor Curtis of Aspire Mountain Academy, here with your project update for the week of, let's see, what is this, June 29th, 2020. Let me look at my notes here, let's see what we got. So last week I promised I was going to finish chapter 4 with the lecture videos and get about halfway through chapter 5. I did finish with chapter 4. I did get into chapter 5, only got about a third of the way through and not halfway as I was looking at. So I'm almost there. I want to keep working away at that. My goal for this week on that is to finish the chapter 5 lecture videos. Let's see, what else did I last week? I also promised to look at different options for getting this out. And I'm thinking I'm going to start a Patreon site. That looks to be like my best option. So I'm going to be setting that up this week. Let's see. Oh, yeah. And I made a commitment to respond to comments, especially on the website, which I didn't get to at all. So I'm going to renew myself for this week. I got to get more today to being more responsive to you guys. Because, I mean, that's just, that's just in everyone's best interest, right? So there's my goals for this week. I'm going to finish the lecture videos for chapter 5. I'm going to set up a Patreon site so I can administer the lecture videos to you guys and get reimbursed for the thousands of hours I've been putting into this. I mean, literally thousands of hours that I've been chalking up to put this stuff together for you guys. And if you love my homework help videos, I'm telling you, you are going to love these lecture videos. So I'm going to get that going and then respond to comments on the website. So I'll catch myself up with responses to comment on the website. So there's my goals for this week. And now, let's see, what time is it? Oh, look at that. It's time to get to work. Let you later.